need to watch this if you struggle with staying focused while studying. These hacks will change your life. First up, declutter. A tidy desk means a tidy mind. Keep only what you need on hand. Pens, notebooks, maybe a motivational quote or two. Next, lighting. Natural light is your best friend, but if it's dark, a good desk lamp works wonders. No more squinting at your textbooks. And let's talk about that noise. Noise-canceling headphones are a game changer. Or just play some instrumental music, nothing with lyrics to distract you. Also get comfy, but not too comfy. You want a chair that's supportive, not your bed that will lure you into a nap. Finally, set a timer. Study in short bursts with breaks in between. 25 minutes of focus, 5 minutes of TikTok. Balance is key. So there you have it. Transform your study space and watch those grades soar. Happy studying!